Now, this seam that I got right here, I put it up against this backboard. All right, by doing that, the seam disappears. It's gone. Okay, so at this point, I think I really need to paint that inside gold. The rest of it can be black. Okay, so I will do painting after the show's over. The round thing, this is going to be where the turret is for the chain gun. And it shows it. I might make it a chain gauze. I don't know. Because I can take a gauze barrel and build 3 of them together and make it a chain gun. Yes, the reference material that I use when I'm building stuff like this, I have got 30 pictures of the Warthog on my laptop right over there. And with that, I can just move around from picture to picture. Like the one I'm looking at right now shows a really good picture of these tusks that are on this Warthog. And then I want to build something else. I go to a different angle and I look at that angle and try to figure out what is my best course of action for building this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna egg shape that just a little bit because their feet sit down in there. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Because it's really easy to egg shape something out of paper like that. Instead of having it just absolutely round, I'm going to egg shape it just a tiny bit because that way their feet have more room to stand down here. And then, of course, the tailboard will go on like this. As a matter of fact, I might have to start getting ready to glue this on because I actually need more reference material for this build. But the problem is why I do not really want to do this yet is because then as I turn this, I've got to be very careful not to mess up this wire.